Hey guys, it's March 31st. We're going back into exponents today. Yesterday we talked about exponents and all we did was rules. I hope you guys have those rules. I'm going to add one more to the rule where I forgot yesterday. I completely forgot about this rule. I don't know why. But honestly, it wasn't on my standard sheet yesterday and I don't know why either. But that's okay. I've got one more rule to go. We're going to do a couple of examples and I'm only going to give you 5 exit tickets, but they're simple. They're really, really easy. All I'm doing is keeping you in math mind, I promise. Tomorrow morning, I have a meeting with Dr. Mahan, so I don't know what the news is going to be. Several of you are asking me, what about your other teachers? I don't mind you asking me. I promise I don't, but I really don't know. I'm just going to do this right now until he tells me otherwise, because I know all of you guys can get on YouTube. Don't tell me you can't, because I know you can. And so we're going to be doing this until he tells me different. If something changes tomorrow, I'll come on YouTube and let you know the changes. Right now, take a picture of your exit tickets, email me, message me, text me, however you want to handle it. Just take the picture and you're getting credit. Remember, everyone that has a pictures of their notes or exit tickets will get the surprise. I promise it's a good surprise. Again, it's not 3 or 4 Skittles. It is a good surprise. So here we go. We're going to do some powers again with exponents. Let's look at a couple of examples. And first, I'm going to give you the one that we left off yesterday. It was a fraction. I know we did talk about the negative fraction yesterday, but this is, like, for example, as soon as you guys see it, you're going to say, oh, yeah, I remember this. This is equal to a 12 minus 7. Your numerator in this situation takes over, and you subtract 12 minus 7, so your answer would be 8a to the 5th power. Add that to your notes, please. This was notes, so add that to your notes, not today's notes, but yesterday's notes, if you don't mind. Add that for something you will keep, and because when I go over your exit tickets versus your notes, I won't keep your notes. I will keep your exit tickets, but I will give you credit for your notes because I need, because there's some days you're not going to have exit tickets. So I've got to give you your class participation on this one. So if you see a fraction set up, all you do, again, is subtract the numerator's expo from the denominator's expo to get your base and your new expo. So we're going to go over some examples real quickly using your notes from yesterday. And let's look at the first example. We have, let's put in parentheses, 10 to the 7th to 2. Okay, yesterday's notes, what are we supposed to do? We're supposed to multiply. You're exactly right. We multiply. Ethan Newman, I don't hear you. Landon Kellogg, I don't hear you. I need you guys waking up and paying attention. Next thing we've got is 10 9th power to 3. Naughty every few minutes, scream at Landon to wake him up. 10 9th power to the 3rd. What is 9 times 3, somebody? 27. So that would be your answer. 27. Good job, good job. Next one, we're going to do one more of these and move on. 10 to the 6th. And we're going to throw a 3 outside. Again, easy. 10, 6 times 3. 10 to the 18. Simple, simple, simple. Remember, most time when we have parentheses, what gives us the order of operation of multiplication. So it should throw you in the mind when you see them on the outside. Don't add them, friends. Don't add them. Multiply them. Okay, let's go into a couple more examples. These are the easy ones, so we're not going to spend a lot of time on these. It's going to be 10 to the 3rd. Apologize, I lost my place in my paper, friends. And 10 to the 2nd. When your bases are the same, what are we going to do to these? What are we going to do? We're going to add those. So that equals 10 to the 5th power. Remember, we did these yesterday. I apologize, I just lied to you. I just lied to you. When you multiply, I'm silly. When you're multiplying, is that right? I think I'm right on that one. Sorry. When you've got a square or 10 square and 10 third, you will have 3 plus 3, so that would be 10 to the 6th. That is correct. I believe that's right. Or was that adding? I can't remember now if your bases stay. Okay, anyway, so we've got 10 to the 6th power. Everyone got that? I hope so, I hope so, I hope so. And then we're going to go over another one. Let's go with... What about this rule? 10 to the 0. I hope you guys know the answer. What is 10 to the 0? What does it mean? 1. That is your answer. It is just a simple 1, 1 only. But if you have 10 to the 1 power, it is the answer of a 10. Just a 10 only. And then one more example that we just brought to you from the, we should add to our notes. If you have 10 to the 15 and 10 to the 8, that is 15 minus 8. Your answer is 10 to the 7. Easy enough? I think so. Exponents are easy, guys. It's just learning these darn rules is all it is. So now I'm going to give you a couple of exit tickets to solve. And there are 5 of them. Nothing hard, so don't freak out on me. It's nothing hard. And we're going to look at these and try to figure out exactly what, when, and hows, and figure out what we're doing. And let's go with... The first one, your first exit ticket, is going to be parentheses 9, 3 with 2. Your next problem is going to be 6 to the 2nd and a 5. Your third problem is going to be 8 over 5, 8 squared. Easy, easy? I think so. Your next problem, and the last problem. Okay, write that down for Miss Teresa. I think these should be easy enough for you to fly right through and solve. Remember, I'm not trying to brain strain you. I'm just trying to keep your brain in math mode right now. We'll go into more tomorrow with negative exponents. And we'll go into more using them in equations like we did before we left class that day. When I paired you guys up and I had you solve them and they were equations. And like, for example, they gave you one of these and they gave you another one. And you had to solve this and either add to the new one or subtract to the new one. Well, that's what we're going to be doing tomorrow. We're going to do some equations with these. But right now, I just want to refresh your mind and figure out exactly what we're doing. But remember, I need you all to do these exit tickets, and then I want you to email me. Here is Miss Teresa's email address again. In case you don't have it, in case you didn't do it yesterday. Mark Daggett, I better hear from you today. Caroline Sells, Drew McGowan, who else? Asher, Jack Cagle, I heard from you. Juliana, haven't heard from you. Gage Buckner, I need to hear from you. Devin Cope, where have you been? I haven't heard from you. Who else have not heard from? Kane, where are you, big boy? And Brody. Good Lord. Teresa Fan at Bledsoe County. Oh, Maddie, I haven't heard from you either. Maddie Presley, Brett Bledsoe County Schools. Cody Douglas, haven't heard from you. .org. And of course, Brennan. Let's not forget Brennan. Haven't heard from Brennan. Or Frank. I need to hear from you guys. I know you have YouTube. So just let me know you're breathing. Know I love you and know I miss you. Stay safe. Take a pic. Email me. Message me. Text me, whatever mode you've got, just to reach out to me. Know I'm thinking of you guys every day. Doing my current events, noticing my totals, and new events right now. We are up to 3,100 that have passed away in the U.S. because of this corona. We're at a stay-at-home, remember, stay-at-home location. So please stay safe. I love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow's April Fool's. Don't forget. Bye-bye.